Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Kahit hindi sariling event or music event ng SB19, ang Aurora Music Festival, ay overwhelmed sila at thankful, grateful na kung saan nakasali sila at nag-perform. Para sa mga fans, especially sa 18, ito nga, very thankful sila at nag-post sa Instagram. Laking pasasalamat nila na kahit paano ay nakapag-perform sila at nakapagbigay ng entertainment sa mga Filipino sa Pilipinas, hindi lang sa buong mundo. Ayun at ating panoorin habang naka-flash sa ating screen ang OOTD ng SB19 at ang kanilang Instagram post kamakailan lamang. Pero grabe no, ang tindi pa rin ng pangyayari dahil kahit hindi ito show ng SB19, ang mga bashers tinitira pa rin at binabash ang ating mahalima. Pero meanwhile, ang pinaka-good news, maraming tao ang nanood. Huge crowd pa rin ang 18 to support our SB19.
Watch out for her dark side, yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time, never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up, look at you all made up. Dirty thoughts are seeping into my mind, I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking, it's making them crazy, she know how to move. She said she's ready to party, let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle, she looks so good when she's sipping her model.